Okay guys, welcome back to Tesha's TV. So big up my TTV people in the place and a large up on itself. And happy Sunday to you all. So go church, coming back. And sorry then, I'm gonna start the ball a rolling. It was raining, so one of the time I think most like go in the kitchen and cook. But then remember me say back then when people never have no kitchen inside, out a door, outside, you know you have the zinc up kitchen there, whether rain or shine, food have to eat, so you know say we are gonna go outside for go cook. So I say chow, whether rain or shine, out a door me I cook. So today guys, I just wanna say thank you all for continue watching Tesha's TV. I love Uno. I'm gonna big up on yourself right through. And always remember, big up Father God too. Yeah, so coming back from church. Yesterday I went to braid my hair. And yeah, get that out of the way because can't bother to wake up in the morning so I'm gonna come here. It's a stress to do that. So yeah. So today guys, with the rain as Mr. But now, sun come out, so we're good. Yeah, so today guys, I'm going over Italy. I gotta deal with some Italian food. So take it from Jamaica a little bit and go over Italy. So I'm going to do some shrimp pasta. So stay tuned and continue to watch what I go on. Okay guys, so now we're ready for pasta. Put on the pot, I already catch a cold stove. So if you don't know if you catch cold stove, catch me on my first, or second and third videos. Alright, so now time for your pasta. Alright. Ensure say your water boil up and thing. Put in your pasta in a boiling water. So let me leave my water too. So, I'm going to leave the pasta for go and boil then come back. Lydia is a pasta lover, don't? So she'll cook pasta with me today. She loves pasta bad. Right, Lydia?
Yes.
Can you make pasta? You can cook pasta? Or you cook pasta? You love pasta so much. Eh?
My mother.
Your mother cook it for you? So how would you cook it?
I have a cooking tour inside of my house.
Oh. So Lydia said she gonna learn. Oh, she have a cooking set, so she will learn how to make her own pasta with her toys. So guys, stay tuned. Continue watching Tesha's TV. So here I have with me. Oh my God! So my pasta never been in my pot. I have my butter, my cheese, my coconut milk. I did not get any coronation milk, so I'm going to use coconut milk instead. My bell peppers, sweet pepper, my onion and my garlic. So after the pasta done, oh my shrimp. The shrimp is inside. I go for my shrimp. So stay tuned. No baby, come here. Come here. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna check for the pasta. See what it's going. Oh, that's so boil. No, yeah. Hey, the fire go on, you know. So now I have my bell peppers them. They are already washed. So I'm go dice it up with the for the pasta. Then three color them pretty though. I could have never get none of them color in a country. Some have to end up and get them a ton. You know, it's actually my first time doing this type of pasta. I always do like just the regular with mayonnaise and stuff. But first, I'm going to do this. But when it's done, you have to think say me know if you do it long time. Alright. You don't want them too fine. If you cut them up too fine, it's going to last. make them chunky, you know. You ever eat pasta before, Pada?
Never eat that type of pasta here before.
Never eat? I'm sure because it's actually...
I'm not really a pasta fan, I'm an Italian, so... I'm a pasta, I'm a kids. Kids like pasta and them something there.
No, you have adults love pasta.
Well, me an Italian then. I come from Italy, I'm born Jamaican, so...
Now me say about me going over Italy
I'm
today.
not sitting there.
It's my first time, so...
You must have Italian roots, so... That's why I do that, you know. I have no Italian link, or you know. The only thing me like from Italy is pizza.
Alright, so see
Understand.
there. The next thing me I gonna do, a pizza. You believe me? Watch and see.
And then would I know say you're real Italian then?
You're real Italian.
Some would I know say you come from Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know what, do them too fine. Okay, if you do them too fine, they're gonna last in you. They're gonna last. Color them together pretty. Me say I search the whole country. Could you get none of them color here? Only in town. So, well, in our country. Now my country looks so bad.
Rest of country them they grow now.
Exactly.
Maybe not fully country, maybe not fully country, but
Don't.
a country. Yeah man. Yeah man, the food basket parish them.
Yeah.
Them grow them produce and good sweet pepper them man. And send them go to town and town people end up having it more than we.
Me say,
Yes,
me
sir.
sit in a market or the green one. The green. This one like it must be good. This quite ready. So I forgot go alright, this ready now. So I'm gonna strain off the water and come back. Okay guys, so I'm putting the butter in a pot to melt. So now I'm going to add in garlic. Nice. Right, so smell it? Okay, so now it's time for the shrimp. So I'm going to add in the shrimp to the butter. Let it saute a little. Shrimp pasta. Put shrimp. It's supposed to every you know they got a restaurant and they might give 6 shrimp for my dish. I get it whole bag. You know what I do when you go to a restaurant? I then give you a bowl like 6 shrimp in your pasta. So people always a cost.
Well, your money can buy man. Your money buy now.
But when they get no, they too thief. You know how much you pasta?
How the money order?
Alright, may I leave this now? So if you make it one salty and come back. Alright, okay guys, so the shrimp up on the fire, see? So make it like about 3 more minutes. You know, so you can't make them dry out. You can't make them dry out. You want them dry. So if you look. So if you look. First time, not going bad. Not going bad. Let's see the ending product how it go stay. And if it is your first time ever go eat pasta or try, maybe you can try my way and see if you like it. Well, I know you're gonna love it. You know, say anything my hand touch turns to gold. All from the first time. You can see. I'm sure she always a story part in it, you know. leave the shrimp. I got a restaurant and get one 6 shrimp because I'm gonna go and buy even sit down and get 6 shrimp in my plate because smell nice. You love shrimp in there? You don't like shrimp?
I don't like shrimp.
Michael, I don't know where Michael. Oh, Michael gone by his friend house. So I just leave there here today with me. You know, boy pitney them now play with. Try this. This. Alright, 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Then it's done.
Yeah, 2 more minutes. So now it's time to take out the shrimp. So I'm going to remove the shrimp from the pot and put it back in the same container we did it now.
Like it's not cooked yet. When you going to put in the cheese?
Not now, last when it needs to done. So now I'm going to add some onion to my pot.
Add this one. When you going to add
Okay. Oh. You know, so then I want to do like so this. So this is some coconut milk. You can use carnation milk if you have that. But I'm using some coconut milk.
what? I must use coconut milk too. So
Which is
my children.
then I'm going to cover the pot and let the coconut milk boil. To add in some creamer to it.
Fish. There's a little hole here, so.
That's a little bit.
It's like one
Cooking cream. Some people make this by themselves. And then I'm going to add in my bell peppers.
bell pepper.
Okay.
Bell
For
pepper.
about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put in the pasta.
I'm going inside. Hey.
Alright, so let that one simmer down. Okay guys, so I'm going to add a little seasoning to the pot. Then my macaroni. Guys, if you know like all of them stuff here, the people always say they not eat pasta because of mayonnaise and stuff. It's not mayonnaise, but if you don't like this and you don't like none of them creamier, then just boil the macaroni and do the shrimp separate. I just eat it like that, I think, and you know, because me used to say me not like this either. Well, me not like it period. Let me do it.
Did you put the pasta in the shrimp?
No, not yet, baby.
What's that in there?
These are the. Hey, see this? One story. And then I'm gonna add in cheese.
And then the
Maybe,
cheese.
I get about 3 minutes, and then I add in my cheese to it. So I think, you know, I have to simmer down with it one. Put in the cheese, and then the shrimp. Then I serve the meal. Okay, guys, so now it's time for my cheese.
Now for the cheese.
Yeah. Now I use all of this.
That looks like cake.
So with the cheese, no? It's like, you can make it so fine, you know.
Look at that.
Yeah, make it soak.
Look at that.
See, look, cheese here, nice already.
Look at that.
Yeah. So now I'm adding my shrimp.
Shrimp is in there.
And not every bite, you know, this is supposed to get a shrimp.
We're not
And I can't add
going
it,
to eat it. We're not going to eat it because it's having shrimp in it.
Really?
I don't like shrimp.
Okay. Right. Right, that one, guys.
Good.
Lydia.
I said good.
Okay, thank you, Lydia.
Cool. Take this up.
Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to share on a meal and come back. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing product. Well, nice. One tissue, you know. Yeah, so you can have it like this, or if you want some pepper, like myself, I just sprinkle some pepper over there. Still looking nice. Lovely. So guys, please remember to subscribe to my video, my channel, and share it, like, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like up the video now, share up the video now, subscribe now, one away pan. Okay, so continue to watching Tesha's TV and have yourself a wonderful week.